primarily what we're going to review today is what we've called our new fleet management console, which is essentially the home base of operations for everything related to the new fleet management or fleet operations module. We've divided that console into 3 different views depending on your job function and what you're actually trying to accomplish. But without giving too much more away, I'll turn it over to Bruce. Bruce, what do you got for us?
Well, thank you, Dave. So basically, we broke this into 3 separate sections. As you can see here, we have a fleet management control, we have a trip planning, and an appointment setting. Within the fleet management, in every one of these views, you have the capability of customizing what you want to see in your daily job, which is extremely powerful. You can see this little menu option here. Clicking on this is going to pop up the views. These are the pre-made views that I've got going right now. But if you wanted to customize one, it is as simple as clicking the Add button, giving it a name. What type of view are you wanting to look at? And this, I want to look at a fleet asset. If you have your choice of what type of asset I want to look at. Do I want a tractor, a trailer, box truck, chassis, container? Right now we'll do a tractor. If your organization is set up with company divisions, you can put in the division and company that you're working on and search for those. I'll choose Fleet Carrier 1. If you're very specific, and this is where the flexibility in the term comes into play, say you're a dedicated account, I can put a dedicated customer in here to where my assets reside at. If I have them allocated to terminals, I can literally put the terminal account in here and I'll see the fleet that is assigned to that. If I want to see everything, which I have right now, I'm leaving as Fleet Carrier 1. And I can also go in here and put in zones. I want to see all my assets located in Chicago Metro, and I'd be able to see that here. Then you could go in and look at the various statuses that you're looking for. I only want to see my available trucks, or today, I want to create a view as a fleet manager. I want to see everything that is currently in a breakdown status, which is going to be fantastic because I'll immediately understand all my assets that need to be looked at there. And where do I want to see this? Do I want to have a default view, or do I just want this one to sit out there and be usable? I can go down at any given time, check a box, be able to see which view I want. Now you can also come in and everything that is related to the asset, you can scroll through here and you can pick these statuses, you can pick the truck, you can pick anything that's related to that particular asset. You can pull up and choose, move the columns over, you can tell it how you want to order it by, and I've just put in, if I'm looking at ELDs, you can do everything here, and then just a matter of saving that view, and you now have a brand new view that you can utilize. You can do this for trucks, you can do this for loads, you can do this for drivers, you can do this for your trailers, your containers, your chassis. So you can pick up, how do I want to see this information, which is very powerful.
And so really, to me, it almost feels like the views that we're talking about here, I would liken them to our existing list views. So load list views, account list views, transportation profiles list views. It's effectively filtered views of the most important data that you as a fleet manager are trying to see. And just like you suggested, you can choose different statuses of your fleet assets. So truly a powerful tool that allows that flexibility in the filtering capabilities.
Absolutely, Dave.
Beautiful.
We have now also gone in and we've added additional everyday feature functionality that you'll be needing. We have the ability to come over and look at a related record view of what's going on. If you have your asset and it's set up and it's on trips, it's dispatched, it's associated to loads, you're going to see a series of related records that come across the top. If this truck was dispatched on a load, you're going to see load information. If you have your driver seated and active, you're going to see driver information. You'll have the ability, and this is something that's an incredibly powerful tool that we built from the ground up. Everything that you touch in the system is related through chatter, and I am sure everybody understands and knows the power of chatter within the Salesforce world. So if I have any comment on this truck, if I have any comment on the load, if I have a comment about a trailer that I get a call from the driver and this has got a trailer associated to it, I can literally put the comment on here, I can mention somebody within the organization. They're going to instantly get notifications, and they're going to be able to go here and see what was conveyed. So you're keeping your communications within your four-wall structure, multiple departments, multiple levels, and everybody knows what's going on at the same time. This is a super powerful tool.